he is best. Private Wolf. Private Wolf. Private Wolf. He's the best. Batman's jealous. Oh my gosh. What just happened? Oh, it is Private Wolf. Private Wolf. It is Private Wolf. He's here to save us. Hardly enough.
Head of security for the new president, oh yeah.
What's up, everyone? I'm your new president, President Wolf. Yeah. 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 Haha. I smell someone. Name isn't Wolf. It's you. You have come. I thought I had you arrested. Oh no. Why did you do this? I cannot believe.
Private Wolf.
Private, I don't know what you've been doing, and I don't know how you got this rank. I don't even know how you're in the army after that incident with the president. But I do know this. You will eliminate the Juggernaut. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Shut up! You're not supposed to talk so loud. Kids these days. And that Juggernaut, fella, will be looking for me, so I'm going to be in a bunker, hiding away. After what happened last time. Yes, sir. I will go to war. Well, there is a Juggernaut right there. I looked him right in the eyes. Now he's gonna attack me. I must fight him. Nope. Nope. And that is the day that I became colonel. Because of my cowardliness. That's how frightening he is, son. Can I call you son? 'Cause you are my son. You call me son. I don't even look like you at all. Did you just put this fake mustache on me? You reminded me when I was your age. So go to war. Bye. Bye, Colonel.
Private Wolf, do you copy?
Gosh. Yeah? What is it?
Take that smirk out of your face, Private.
You just left like 10 seconds ago.
Stop holding that walkie-talkie like it's a walkie-talkie.
How do you know all this?
'Cause I'm behind you. You won't survive.
still alive? How? Don't make me do it. Didn't know I could do that.
You missed.
What'd you say to me? Say it again. Did you just try to throw a claymore at me?
Grenade.
Shoot!
A few inches later.
This is the commander. This is the commander.
Copy that, Dragon Ball? Copy that.
Finally picked up. So, how was your mission? I repeat, how was your gosh dang mission?
Yes. Yes. I copy that. Yeah, he's down.
Look,
Yeah, he's got severe wounds. Why?
I'm just scared of his eye patch.
You know I'm still alive, right?
Did I just hear that guy still alive? Good job, soldier. Want to hear a story of this one time I landed on some substance? It was brown, and it did not smell like dirt. Hey, don't smash that. That's cost $1 million. Hey, don't. Did you try to hang up on me? Now that's just rude.